Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button to join the family. Alright, so in today's video I'll be doing like how to build your closet, or how to build what they would call a capsule wardrobe, or how to build your dream closet, basics you need in your closet, closet essentials, whatever. I'm not even know mega title this video because there are so many options, but you get the point. Alright, so if you have been keeping up with my latest videos, or if you've come across my latest videos, you would have seen that I recently did a closet clean out, and that means I need to rebuild my closet or revamp or whatever. So yeah, but that's basically what I started doing, and I just wanted to share with you guys the essentials that I have in my closet, or that I am currently using, or that I currently bought to build my closet. Okay, all right, so yeah, so as you can see behind me are basically all my closet essentials, and apart from the accessories that I will mention later in the video, or probably I should do them first. Yeah, I'll do accessories first, but yeah, these are the clothing essentials in my closet, and I'll be sharing them with you today. Most of them I bought them online, so I'll definitely leave the links below in case any of you want to check them out. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. Alright, so as I said, I would start off with accessories. So black bag, white bag, you can never go wrong. Me not even have to say anything more. Just get a black bag and a white bag if you don't already have. Let me know in the comments if you already have a white bag and a black bag in your closet. Okay, all right, so the next thing I recommend to build your closet, accessory wise, is definitely a pair of white sneakers, because it can be dressed up, dressed down, and you know, a white sneakers is just an essential. Like, it's just a classic, it never goes out of style. You can wear it whenever you want, apart from like formal occasions. But yeah, so I recently got these. I bought these at Payless, so yeah, there will be no link. I initially wanted to get like an original Air Force ones, but I couldn't afford it, so I stick with what I can afford right now. So yeah, these will do for now, and they look like the Air Force whatever. Yeah, these are for work. So the next thing I would recommend is definitely a black strappy heel. If you are someone who wear heels, or yeah, if you don't wear heels any at all, then definitely get a black sandals. That would be the next best thing. I really don't like heels either, but these ones are very chunky and short, so I decided to get them. So yeah, whether a black strappy heels or a nice black sandals is a must have in your closet, because you can wear it with any and every outfit. Once again, I'll be saying that a lot in this video because it's just the truth. So yeah, alright, so the final accessory I recommend is definitely a pair of white sandals, because you won't always want to wear black. You know, white add an extra little buzz, black kind of dim, you know, kind of give you that extra neutral look if you want to go that way. But definitely if you want to add a little, you know, a little oomph, yeah, the white is definitely the way to go. And I recently got these. I think I got them from Payless. Yeah, I struggle with like finding sandals that fit me. So when I saw these, I really had to get them, because my feet are very narrow, but these fit me very well. And again, you can wear them if you're just going out on the road. You can wear them for a casual date night, movie night with the girls, anything like that. So definitely white sandals. Let me know again in the comment section if you have a white sandals, or if you plan to get a white sandals. Alright, so now that we're done with the accessories, it's time to get into the real deal, which is all this good stuff up here, and I'm gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna start over here, and the first thing I recommend that you get in your closet is a white button-down shirt. It can be oversized or it can be regular, but I recommend oversized because you can do more with it when it's oversized. A white button down is another classic. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it as a layering piece, you can wear it as a regular shirt, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to church, you can wear it with jeans. Like, the possibilities are endless. Like, if you don't have a white button down shirt in your closet, like, you really need to get one. Like, all this time I did not have one, and I recently got this one. I got this one from Shein, so as I said in the beginning, I'll link them below. So yeah, so that's all I have to say about this. So yeah, definitely get a white button down if you don't already have. So next on the list we have tanks, basic tank tops. So I recommend getting a white and a black, or you can get like a nude or gray, you know, neutral colors, but definitely can't go wrong with black and white. Once more, these ones are cropped, but if you are not into crop tops, you can definitely get full length tanks which go like down to your waist or below. So yeah, these, you just throw them on with your jeans. Very lightweight, very comfortable. You can also elevate the look with like a blazer or like a cardigan or your white button down. Yeah, so definitely let me know if you want me to do a video where I style my basics. Alright, so next up we have bodysuits. Over here we have the classic black and white. Over here we have two other neutral tones, brown and gray. I recommend getting, you know, other neutral tones other than black and white when it comes on to bodysuits, because you don't always want to be wearing black and white. These also give you, you know, the neutral look or the clean girl look or the clean girl aesthetic. Yeah, so yeah, so black and white bodysuit, definitely basic. These are kind of, you know, just up it up a little bit. What them would I say, tap it up a notch. Listen, just get bodysuits in your closet because you can wear them for every occasion. Once more, you can dress them up for work, for church, you can dress them up for date night, you can wear them with your jeans, everywhere. So basic. Alright, so the next thing we have now are basic tees. So I have cropped and I have full length because I like the crop top and high waist jeans look. So definitely I have a cropped version of basic tees, and then I have my full length, which I won't always want to be wearing a crop top. Plus you have occasions where, you know, you just, the look is more formal or semi-formal. So in those cases I would definitely go with full length. But on a regular day I would do cropped with like a high waist jeans, etc. But again, if you are not into crop tops, then you can just stick with the full length basic tees and you're good to go. Alright, so the next thing you definitely need to build your closet is the cliched little black dress. But as cliched as it is, you need it, because like what are you doing? Like, what would you do without a black dress? Like, if you don't have a black dress in your closet, like, do you really have a closet? Like, it's that serious. So yeah, definitely get a black dress if you don't already have. And again, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. There are many ways to style a basic black dress. So yeah, definitely a must have. Alright, so now we're moving on to jeans, and the first one that I definitely recommend, that is definitely a must have, is a pair of blue jeans. Like this one, I recently got it from Amazon. It's a straight leg blue jeans and I really like it, just that I'll have to get it adjusted. If you watched my previous Amazon haul, you would have seen that I have waist issues, as I always do with my jeans, so I'll have to get it adjusted. But once that is done, it's going to be my classic blue jeans in my closet that I will, you know, wear a lot. So yeah, I don't even have to say anything else, because when it comes on to a blue jeans, self-explanatory. So have it or I don't know. The next best thing is black jeans. You definitely need to have a black jeans in your closet. This one is a skinny jeans. You can get wide leg, you can get straight leg, whichever type of jeans you're into. I've had this one for quite a bit, so there's gonna be no link for this, but yeah, just get like a regular black pants or a regular black jeans, because you don't always want to be wearing jeans. You want to like change up the look. Plus sometimes, you know, you have occasions where you are required to wear black, and the black probably look better with some colors. Yeah, so black, blue. Next on the list for jeans, this one is optional. A khaki jeans would definitely be a good thing to have, but for now it can be optional. Like if you're just starting out, or if you are just rebuilding your closet, like you can start out with blue and black, but later down the line you can definitely get khaki, because it goes well with a lot of colors and you can still make a lot of outfits with a khaki jeans. So yeah. Alright, so finally on the list of closet essentials, we have a denim shorts. So this one that I have is a Bermuda shorts. If you're into short shorts, then definitely you can do that, but the point is you don't always want to have on long jeans, especially in the summer when it's extremely hot. Well, in Jamaica it's hot all year round, but you know, you have cooler times. But yeah, you don't always want to be wearing a long jeans. Sometimes you just want to go more relaxed, less clothes. So yeah, definitely a jean shorts. Again, if you're into short shorts, you can do that. If you're not, then you can do Bermuda shorts. And yeah, that's definitely it for my closet essentials. I hope this will help you guys out if you're looking to build or rebuild your closet, or if you're looking to build a capsule wardrobe. I definitely hope this video would have helped you. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.